Okay, it's a beautiful Father's Day morning. Nice rainbow start the morning. Hank and I are gonna go see if we can catch some fish. If he gets a big snook, I won't have to buy him a Father's Day present.
Well, I did not catch the big snook, and Tom ended up taking 7 of us out for dinner that night.
There's a big school of bait fish that just blew up right here. We got bait fish jumping out of the water over here. Only in about 8 inches of water. You see those bait fish come out of the water? Yeah. All right. Little snook. Another small snook. Little guys. Had something pop right top water, about a foot to the air. Oh boy, that's a big fish. There's some big fish right here, Dad. Yeah. In the skull of mullet. I just had 2 follows in a row, actually 2 misses. Come on, baby. I was reeling in my lure, and I think it was a monster snook. Hit it right next to the kayak. Scared the shit out of me. Wow. Oh my God. That was probably the most intense topwater hit I ever had in my life. Oh, I wish I had the camera rolling. That was insane. It literally grabbed it right next to the kayak. Actually splashed me when it hit my lure. Oh my God, that was epic. My heart is pounding. Wow, that's a big snook. Is it a jack? It might be a big jack. It is a big jack. Well, it's not a snook, but it was still awesome. There he goes. Well, that was cool. Sneak up on Dad, give him a nice Father's Day scare. Oh, he saw me. He got me. I was trying to sneak up on you. I was gonna hit the back of your kayak with my paddle. There he goes. Want to take a minute and thank my dad on this Father's Day for just being the best father. And I appreciate him.